Leon Kennedy versus Chris Redfield. Who is the better among them? Now hear me out, मैं दोनों का fan हूँ. I love both characters, but I would lean more towards Leon. But that doesn't mean that I hate Chris. Chris is the GOAT, and I love this dude. But here are some straight facts कि इन दोनों में better कौन सा है. First of all, एक चीज अगर तुम लोगों ने notice ना की हो, there's a specific pattern with every Resident Evil game जहाँ पे Leon और Chris appear होते हैं. First of all, let's talk about Leon. Leon first appears in Resident Evil 2 और इसमें इसका main objective क्या होता है? To survive Raccoon City and get the hell out of there. And then comes Resident Evil 4. इसके अंदर इसका main objective होता है to save the president's daughter Ashley Graham and get the hell out of there. And in Resident Evil 6, he is trying to prove himself innocent, that he did not kill the president. Now let's talk about Chris. Chris first appears in Resident Evil 1. And his main objective is to investigate the mansion. And he does that. He goes into the mansion and kills a bunch of BOWs. Resident Evil 4, he's gone after the big bad, Wesker, and to stop the Ouroboros virus from spreading. And he is successful at that. He actually stops Wesker and he is to end the world. Now in Resident Evil 8, he goes there to end Miranda, who is the cause of the Megamycete, controlling it and spreading it. तो तुम लोगों ने नोटिस कर लिया होगा कि what's happening here. Leon जब भी किसी मिशन पे जाता है, he is there to save somebody or escape or something like that. He is a government agent. He goes there not to eliminate every BOW or the cause of it. While Chris जहाँ पे भी जाता है, it goes in depth. वो जाता है बिल्कुल उसके कोर तक कि कहाँ से स्प्रेड हो रहा है और उसको चीर फाड़ देता है. लियोन रेजिडेंट इविल 9 में भी किसी चीज को वाइप करने के लिए नहीं जाता. He goes to Raccoon City to save his own ass and to save Grace. क्रिस के साथ हमें कहीं भी ये नजर नहीं आता. He goes there to end it all. So समझ जाओ, if Leon is heading for you, he's not coming for you. He's there to save himself or somebody else. And if you don't get in his way and don't make trouble for him, तुम बच सकते हो. He won't kill you. Just like in Resident Evil 4, वो रमोन को नहीं मारना चाह रहा होता. But when he gets annoying, same goes for Saddler. When he gets annoying, he kills them. But अगर भाई तुम लोगों ने अगर क्रिस को देख लिया आते हुए, then he is coming for you and your entire organization. वो ये नहीं देखेगा कि तुम उसके लिए मसला हो या नहीं हो. He will end you. He will delete you from the world. And I think that concludes it. अब तुम लोग खुद choose करो who is the more dangerous person here. Is it Chris or is it Leon?